This is a self-propelled sled. It pulls itself backwards. This weighs about 35,000 pounds. As the box moves forward, it increases the weight onto the pan, which is here on the ground, causing the driver to go no further.
The sled will always win. It's got so much weight behind it. The mark of success here is as far forward along the track as you can get. Today we've got a couple vehicles here. Having the vehicles fully charged matters because that's when you have your peak power. Making sure they're all fully charged really gets us on the same playing field. We wanted to bring not just an EV competitor, so we also looked at what is a great internal combustion engine vehicle that's got huge towing capacity and great capability. Tractive power is really how much can you get that power from the motor to the ground. Truck Pull is a showcase of power and tractive power of the truck. And that translates directly to on-the-road towing, towing your boat, towing your payload. What we've designed the truck to be is like really comfortable, really stable, really powerful at high payloads. And that gives you the ability to be confident on road. In order to make this a really apples to apples comparison, we're running them as they come straight from the factory. So stock tires, they're running at a curb weight plus driver. A heavier truck in this kind of event will typically give you more momentum with the truck itself. So coming in here with a truck that's one of the lightest in this group, if not the lightest, and out-pulling everybody else really says something about the capabilities of the vehicle.